In this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Binance. To do this, first go and open up the Revolut app and in the bottom go to the crypto tab. From there, you then want to go and click send. And then here you will see your available cryptocurrencies. So gonna select the one that you want to send to Binance. I'll use Bitcoin. And then you will see something like this. So there's a few things you will need to enter. First a wallet address and then a wallet or exchange. And that is for if it's your wallet. If it's someone else's Binance account, you will need to click someone else's in the top right. But in this case, it's my wallet. So now what I want to do is first click wallet/exchange. And then you will see something like this. Now under exchange, usually Binance will be all the way at the top. If not, just gonna search Binance and just click on Binance. Then you will also need to enter your wallet address for the cryptocurrency along with the same network. So you can see in my case right here, it's USDT as the cryptocurrency and then Ethereum as the network. So now what you want to do is just open up the Binance app or website, then go to your wallet. From there, you want to go to something that says deposit and then select deposit crypto. Now from there, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. So in my case, it would be Bitcoin, or right here it says USDT. Just select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Then you may also need to select a network. Now in this case, as you can see, the network is Ethereum. If you're sending Bitcoin, usually it will also be on the Bitcoin network. Then after selecting the correct currency and network, you will then get your Binance wallet address, which you then want to paste in the wallet address section right here. After doing that, click save, and then you can choose how much you would like to transfer. And after entering that, just go and confirm it. And then you may need to verify that it's actually you by entering a verification code. And after you do that, the money will be on its way to your Binance wallet. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.